Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with T. Today we're going to talk about top 5 code completion services. With these 5 code completion tools, you can code more easily, spend less time troubleshooting, and produce more code. The 3 most important aspects of programming are productivity, efficiency, and code quality. As a result, programmers are continuously looking for solutions that will speed up the coding process while maintaining or even improving the output quality. The introduction of AI-powered code completion services is one of the most innovative developments in the developing industry. These technologies not only make coding faster, but they also make learning programming languages easier for beginners. Today, we will look at 5 of the most popular AI-powered code completion services that are fundamentally changing the way the software is developed. Both well-known titans and newcomers are represented on this list, including systems like IntelliCode, YouCode, and Github Copilot, which are revolutionizing the coding industry with their cutting-edge predictive coding technologies. What are services for code completion? Software solutions code completion services, also referred to as AI-powered code completion tools, assist programmers in writing code more quickly and effectively. These tools use AI algorithms to analyze code as it is produced and offer prompts for finishing lines or blocks of code in real time. Their main tasks are recommending code completions, identifying and fixing grammar issues and formatting code, and even creating complete functions or classes based on the context of the code. Since manual coding and debugging would otherwise take a lot of time and effort, this context awareness renders use services remarkably effective and extremely helpful for developers. More than 90,000 developers participated in the 2023 Stack Overflow Developer Survey, and it was found that 70% of them either use AI technologies now or plan to within the next year. This shocking data demonstrates a notable change in favor of AI adoption in the field of software development. It's interesting to note that there isn't much resistance in using these tools. Only 29% of respondents, according to the same poll, said neither they employ AI technologies nor had any plans to do so. The overwhelming preference for utilizing AI-powered solutions reflects the anticipated advantages and enhanced possibilities of these products. Now let's find out what are the 5 best code completion services. These 5 code completion services guarantee a flawless coding experience, decreased debugging time, and an increase in your overall programming efficiency. Whether you're an experienced programmer looking to optimize your workflow or a novice hoping to accelerate your learning. To start with, we have Github Copilot. Github Copilot is a key player in the field of AI-assisted code completion. Built on the groundbreaking OpenAI Codex concept, Copilot has fundamentally changed the way code completion is done by going beyond basic autocomplete functions. Copilot reinvents how developers write code with its adaptability to foresee and generate large chunks of code, including complete functions and classes. It is a very user-friendly tool because it can comprehend and grasp the concept as well as your remarks. With fluency in more than 50 programming languages, Copilot also offers extensive language support with specific strengths in Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, and Go. Copilot is a favorite among developers looking for continuous fluid coding experience due to its adaptability and smooth interaction with Visual Studio Code. Copilot is a dynamic tool that continuously learns from the world's community of programmers, honing its skill over time. Secondly, we have Amazon Code Whisperer. Amazon's contribution to the expanding field of AI-powered code completion tools is Amazon Code Whisperer. Code Whisperer helps developers by providing intelligent code completion, syntax checking, and even complicated code synthesis. It was built with machine learning at its core because it can work with multiple languages such as Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and Java. The tool is a useful tool for developers working in a variety of coding environments. The AI algorithm in Code Whisperer goes beyond merely making general suggestions for coding by looking for patterns in the specific codebase you're working on. In order to cut down on errors and improve overall coding productivity, is essential to be able to contextualize the coding process. At number 3, we have Visual Studio IntelliCode. For developers of all types and skill levels, Microsoft IntelliCode is a potent and flexible AI-powered tool that has completely changed the traditional coding experience. For a number of languages including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and Java, IntelliCode offers AI-assisted completions. Its distinctive methodology is learning from the existing code bases patterns and offering completion recommendations that are customized to the specific code you're working on. To maintain coding standards and improve readability, IntelliCode additionally provides refactoring recommendations and coding convention detectors in addition to its smart code completion. Its team completion feature is particularly useful for large projects and team collaborations because it distributes learned patterns around the development team. In other words, by promoting a consistent coding approach across projects and teams, IntelliCode eventually helps to make the development process more streamlined and effective. Then we have YouCode. The YouCode platform, which is you.com just unveiled, primarily serves as a non-general search engine with focus on code search. The YouCode platform's Code Complete service, which acts as a thorough AI-powered coding help, is one of its distinguishing features. It offers user helpful code completion recommendations for a variety of programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, and more. Additionally, the AI system that powers Code Complete and YouCode regularly picks up new information from its user interactions, enhancing the relevancy and precision of its recommendations. Code Complete is a strong and surprisingly capable AI-powered programming helper that enables quicker and more effective coding when combined with an integrated bug detection tool. And finally, we have Tabnine. Tabnine is a well-known service that uses GPT-3 and is a powerful tool that gives developers access to extremely precise predictions. Tabnine has extensive support for more than 30 programming languages, meeting a variety of programming requirements. It stands out thanks to its deep completion functionality, which makes suggestions based on the complete code base and ensure context-specific completions. Additionally, Tabnine offers broad interoperability, integrating without difficulty with a variety of IDEs and text editors, including, among others, Visual Studio Code, Sublime, and Atom. Regardless of their favorite development environments, developers can take advantage of Tabnine features thanks to its wide interoperability. Because of the tool's general dedication to correctness and efficiency, programmers of all experience levels may count on it as a trustworthy aid. Because of its tool's general dedication to correctness and efficiency, programmers of all experience levels may count on it as a trustworthy aid. So these are the 5 code completion services. It is evident that AI-powered code completion services have a major and revolutionary impact on how software is developed today. These cutting-edge technologies like Github Copilot and Amazon Code Whisperer are not only increasing productivity, but also paving the path for more efficient and individualized coding experience. Current trends show how the majority of the developers and prospective coders readily adopt these tools to speed up their coding process, demonstrating their expanding significance in the sector. The total effectiveness, accuracy, and quality of the code are significantly improved by the fact that code completion services are no longer novelties, rather a need. Further code completion tools are expected to be much more advanced because of its development in AI and machine learning. More innovations that will revolutionize the world of the software development are expected as these technologies advance, making code more approachable, effective, and fascinating than ever. And I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.